Now I'm gonna pair the wireless CarPlay. So go to our CarPlay icon, click Bluetooth name BTEC78. So I'm going to my iPhone's Bluetooth setting, search this Bluetooth. So now it's okay, right? So let's wait. Now connected, and then you can see this pop up. Okay, continue. So now wireless CarPlay is done, and then this Bluetooth automatically disconnected. This is very normal because this Bluetooth is like a trigger switch to turn on the wireless CarPlay. So after wireless connection, it automatically disconnected. That is very normal. Okay, so this is not for audio output. Audio output only for this Lexus Bluetooth. So now I'm going to test CarPlay and audio. It's working right. So skip the buttons. It's working well. Okay, I'm gonna test the Siri. Press this button. Press and hold. What's the weather today?
Expect some clear skies today. The high temperature will be 33 degrees and low will be 24.
Hi Siri. What's the weather today?
Expect some clear skies today. The high temperature will be 33 degrees and low will be 24.
Okay. Okay, I can call my phone. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hi.
Hi.
It's working well. Don't need additional mic, just using a factory mic for hands-free phone calls.